guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm only going to be eating TikTok viral foods for 24 hours. And I just had this misconception that foods and recipes that are on TikTok are just overall not healthy, and the ones that get popular are overall not that healthy. I feel like my channel, I create videos that are on the more healthier side. I don't think it's like just all out, flat out, always ramen, always unhealthy. So I've been on the channel for a little bit, or you may know me through the TTC journey videos that I update. I am going through a infertility journey, and this month I am just trying to eat very, very healthy and eat clean. So I was just on the lookout for healthy foods and healthy recipes, seeing what's trending on TikTok. I came across a few and I wanted to try it out. So today we are making 3 meals. Before we start, I need to drink something first thing in the morning. I used to drink coffee, but I quit that completely. I cut out coffee in my life. I was on a matcha phase and now I'm on a chai phase. So we'll be drinking this. I found this gem at Costco. So if you look at the ingredients, now I'm just always looking at ingredients before I buy things. I just don't want to eat anything processed or something that has so much refined sugars. So if you look at it, the ingredient list is somewhat on the shorter side. Everything is organic. There's nothing artificial about it. So I started drinking this because I've always liked chai, and it's a good alternative because it has a lot less caffeine in it. Oh, nice, cute. Got my chai over here. Sometimes I look forward to drinking chai in the morning. I feel like I'm just getting all this energy in me. Okay, so let's start off with breakfast. Breakfast is gonna be toast. So I always like to start off my day with carbs so that it gives me energy to push through the day, because I feel like I just have so much to do in a day even though I don't work. Like, I don't know how I'm busier when I don't work. Let's begin with cottage cheese toast. Cottage cheese has been crazy on social media. Everyone's eating cottage cheese now, and growing up I always loved cottage cheese. In college we had a cafeteria where I got most of my meals from, and they had a salad bar with cottage cheese and canned peaches, and I would sometimes just live off of that. I think some people think it's gross, but I love it. So there are multiple ways to enjoy cottage cheese toast. Some people do like a caprese type of cottage cheese toast. Today I'm gonna be adding some figs to my cottage cheese toast, and I feel like this fruit isn't something that's widely used all the time. I love figs. I love figs with honey and cheese and bread. Like, oh, it's so good. Anytime I go into Trader Joe's and I see figs, I just get it because I'm like, oh my God, it's gonna be my breakfast this week. So all you need is sourdough, and you're gonna toast this. Then we're going to add cottage cheese. I got mine from Trader Joe's, and I always try to opt for the low fat ones. We're gonna add some cottage cheese to this, and then we'll add some figs, sprinkle some honey. Oddly enough, even though I don't like sweet desserts, when it comes to certain things, I like things extra sweet. So this is one of those things, like on my breads that are savory, I love to put honey on it. Even if I'm having an avocado toast, I love it when there's honey on there. So I also made a shorts on a 2-way cottage cheese toast, just to give you guys various ways of having it. So the ones that I have on shorts are not the same topping as the one that I'm making today. So make sure to check that out. I'll have that link down below. Cottage cheese is very high in protein and calcium, and it contains a lot of other vitamins and minerals. It's relatively low in calories and fat when you're comparing it to other dairy products like cream cheese and sour cream and ricotta, but also have in mind that cottage cheese has a lot of sodium. So if any of you guys have higher blood pressure, I don't know if I would recommend cottage cheese, but this cottage cheese phase on TikTok is crazy. I have also done a cottage cheese wrap. So it's like, instead of bread, you use cottage cheese, and that did pretty well. I feel like a lot of you guys like that. So check all of my cottage cheese recipes out. Let's give this a try. So good. The cinnamon just adds so much good flavor to it. I mean, it already hits you with the smell as you're biting in. Like, you smell the cinnamon, and it's just so cozy. So For me, it's kind of hard to eat a lot of protein because I don't really like protein-rich foods. I do like dairy though. In the morning, it's kind of hard to eat protein first thing unless I'm eating eggs. This is a really good alternative because I don't want to have eggs all the time. To be honest, I don't love eggs. This texture is so good because the bread is so crispy and toasty. And then you have this bed of creamy cottage cheese that is just, it's seasoned well with salt, so I love it. Got a little saltiness from the cottage cheese and a little sweetness from the figs and honey. Delicious. Lunchtime. For lunch, I'm gonna be making this viral carrot salad, but I'm gonna twist it a little bit and add some tofu waffle that was once super viral on TikTok as well. I think just carrot is boring, and I do have kale. And then I have to head right to Pilates after, so gotta hurry up. Two gigantic carrots here. So in order to make this carrot salad, first you're gonna peel your carrots, and using the same peeler, we're gonna make ribbons of this carrot. And for some reason, I don't know why, I don't love raw carrots. I don't think it tastes good, but when carrots look like this, I just wanna eat it all up. Something about this makes it look very appetizing to me. There comes a point where you can't cut more carrot because it's too thin, so you just eat this. I love it. Literally feel like a rabbit eating this. For the dressing, we need a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of lime juice, half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey, and some extra virgin olive oil, about an 1/8 cup, and sprinkle a little bit of sea salt. I'm gonna have to make Chino salad later because he doesn't have lunch till later, and I don't want his salad to get like soggy. So I'll make my part first, and then Chino said he'll just make his own salad later. Now that everything is prepared, he just has to mix it together. And now for the tofu waffles, make sure to get extra firm tofu. You're gonna put them in your waffle maker. I just have this mini dash one. This is the only waffle maker I have. So I'm gonna spray some avocado oil down onto it and press my tofu. And towards the end of it, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning, just to give it a little bit of seasoning. I don't wanna add it in with it because I don't want anything to burn. I make this dressing all the time, and it works so well with the carrot salad. It kind of tastes like pickled carrots, and it's just so good. And to the salad, I want to add a little bit of feta cheese. Normally when I make the salad, it's a little bit too much of dressing, in my opinion. That's why I wanted to add the kale. And there you have it. Salad, it looks so good. Look at that. I was gonna add parsley to this, but honestly, I do not have time. I'm gonna hurry up, eat this, and head out. With carrots, I've always known it to be good for your eyes, but people are saying that this raw carrot salad is really good in balancing your hormones. So. Before working out, I always like eating a light meal like this. I hate feeling bloated. Oh, that's my alarm to head out. Okay. I have to hurry up, eat this, and head out. So, it's dinner time. There was like a whole rain ordeal outside, and then now the sun is up. So perfect timing. For dinner, we are gonna be having salmon rice. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's the Emily Mariko salmon rice recipe that literally went viral, but it's not like a recent thing. It's kind of a past thing, but we're gonna do it. I have some salmon left over. I'll be adding avocado, some cucumber, and sriracha mayo, and having it with some nori and kimchi as well, because my mom did just give me a ton of kimchi, and that's the reason why my fridge stinks and is so full right now. Let's do this Emily Mariko style. Okay, salmon. I'll take the smaller. So only slightly smaller. I'll take the smaller one. Sorrentino. And she does this and lets it flake. Okay, and then we add some rice to this. So this was previously frozen, but now defrosted rice. Freezer creates these spheres. And then she does this with parchment paper. Stick this in the microwave one by one. Woohoo! So then we'll take this ice cube out. He always just adds sriracha and mayo and then mixes it. Oh my. Those chinos. Wait, is that mine? Can't even tell. Then we'll mix this. Let's have this with my mom's kimchi. I'm actually really craving some mu. I normally like radish kimchi over cabbage kimchi. So we got this bad boy. Whoo, it's stinky. I think tuna will come down soon. I will give this a taste. Yum. Mmm. Too good. Mmm. Mmm. I've been eating more salmon and avocado for this month, and this is honestly one of the easiest ways I can reuse salmon. I did a very simple paprika and garlic salt seasoning. I just stuck it in the air fryer for 12 minutes at 360 degrees. Any type of salmon marinade or seasoning will do for this. Guys, give this a try. I hope you guys liked today's video. Let me know in the comments if you want more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video.